Introducing the silent Abu Dhabi. So I just landed in Frankfurt airport couple of hours, and yeah, I have a 9-hour layover here, and then only I have the flight from Frankfurt to Poznan. When I was almost to the gate, that's when I knew that there was another flight at 1. Mine is at 9 in the night, and there was one in the afternoon at 1, but I was very late for it. If I was like 10 or 15 minutes early, I could have rebooked my ticket to that flight and already reached Poznan. So it's around 6:50 p.m. right now, and my flight will start boarding at 8:40 p.m. Another 2 more hours to go. It's a really tiring day. 9 hours sitting in the airport. It's not easy, and especially with the mask on. No, it's not easy. And now sitting by this beautiful view, I'll be showing you guys this. And yeah, just hoping to go back home as soon as possible. I just want to sleep, relax. We are finally home. So guys, finally we are back home, and the journey was very tiring, but I came back home and took a shower. Now I'm all fresh, having a burger which I bought from Germany. You can see how hard the bread is. That's the specialty of German bread. They like it hard. Also, a lot of people have been asking, is there quarantine in Poland? As of now, to this date, there's no quarantine required after you land or arrive in Poland. But again, before you travel, make sure you guys check the official government site. All the informations are given there. Look at this. Oh, this looks different. Okay, this is my floor, and unfortunately someone was too pissed to remove the number from there. It's a very old lift, because of which I'm scared, because I got stuck in this before once. Basically I forgot to take the mask. I just forgot about the new normal. Anyways, I'm going to get the groceries, so come along with me. Okay guys, so basically this is how the red onions in Poznan and Poland looks like. Other than that, we have this one, which I think is fine for me. Got some fruits. Guys, so we are done buying the groceries. First task is over, and it's around 11:30 a.m. Now it's time to clean the room. It's a complete mess. But I don't know, I just need to rearrange the bed. Just can't bear with this room anymore, because look at this. Just it's in a complete mess. When I call mess, this is what I call mess. I just can't and not just the mess, but I also need to unpack and yeah, store it inside these cupboards. Look at this. I don't know. So yeah, let's get started. So it's around 7, I mean 5:30 in the afternoon, and yeah, I wasted the entire day doing nothing, but I did cook lunch. So now I'm gonna rearrange my room. I'm done with unpacking. Now it's just the room and I need to clean it. So as you can see, this is how the room looks like. I have like a table, a bed, a table again, and a chair. I decided to take you guys along with me to Ikea. Okay, so sorry about this, but yeah, so I got some things to buy. Not just me, one of my friend also got some things to get from Ikea. So oh, what's so cold. So yeah, we decided to go today. We had class till 1 and now we are done with classes, so we are going. And not just that, mask is compulsory. Oh, it's cold. Natasha is not sure, guys, about the price, so she's checking again. See, it's working. You deserve it. Okay guys, so I'm here to get some candles for my room so that it feels a little cozy. But it's too confusing at times, like which one to get. Like some smells too scented, whereas some smells too bland. Like, just don't feel finding candles. I hope I get one. Might get this. Really like it. Christmas is kind of here. We got some gingerbread stuff going on. Natasha is running away from camera. I'm not gonna show her because she is not prepared for the video. It seems you should be like me, always prepared. So we are gonna check out, and I didn't buy much, just few stuff. So yeah, let's go. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. and got an idea how exactly the initial few days or weeks would be in Poland as an international student. So yeah, settling down is kind of hard, but trust me guys, it's gonna be a lot of fun settling down. So if you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, until I see you guys next time, that's a goodbye. My channel is here.